So guys, we are here at YS Falls today. Welcome to the YouTube channel. I could do a vlog for real, you know?
Wait a minute.
Hey guys, so let me just provide a little information on the falls, or well, about the admission actually. The admission is $1,000 for children up to 15 years old. Over 15 years old pay $1,750 to enter. You will get your tickets. Also, they'll ask for your ID to prove that you're Jamaican. If you do decide to leave the falls after the person who is working the day collects your ticket, you can't re-enter. You will probably need to pay again, but that's the policy there. Once you leave, you can't re-enter. I'm not ready to take it off, sir. I am pure bones.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Yep, that's me.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
What no? I want me I run out of gas. You know, feel like gas so long over there, so you can't run. Yes! Hey, but yes or no? Everyone who is ready to leave the falls boards the bus. The bus takes us to and from the falls. So it's like let's say a 5-minute ride or so. Yeah, it's about that. So going down on the bus, we were just learning that this part of YS has 2 pools. However, we never know about that. So it has 3 pools in all. The pool that we knew about had a lifeguard. I can't say for the other pools. More than likely they probably have a lifeguard, but I can't say. They have a kitchen. Well, they have a restaurant. We have come to the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for other vlogs and more road trips. Okay, no, we're always outside.